I've made important documentation. One of them is the black book. I know the subject is very thick, event sourcing, log programming, where I migrated ERP. Not only that, many ERPs over from Odoo, SAP, Oracle, Dynamic to this fold for putting in SQLIte on the browser without server. And for those who are idempiere, you will easily find the correlation through this type of diary and dictionary. And not only that, it's also for how much it costs you if you were to program in this new language, the learning curve, how much you can save. And I can tell you it's a good investment, and I'm putting it out for free for those who wants to take on this project, fork it. I make this project MIT license, and I'm trying to explain this very difficult subject it's a paradigm shift for me. But I'm not the only one, it seems. I've researched, there's another book written about it, seriously in the same. So this book, I have it here to explain why it validates the thesis that in future accounting, programming, ERP will be this. If you to remember one line from this book, remember that the whole engine turns on. The whole engine turns on, which is the state is never written, only folded. Wow, complete paradigm shift. Claims are never asserted, only witnessed. Okay, so I remember I used to buy black books, so you have it here. Let's see. Right, so this is the core of the programming, derive, validate, act. Okay, cool. You show you examples. So if you're from idempiere, you'll show you what is the equivalent. Right. So I'm reading it, created it, and you have a search. For example, the big thing will be big decimal, and it'll tell you there's one topic, big decimal. Okay. So money to the cent. Based on my experience in idempiere, I know what is important, what's the holy grail, what is the red lines. And back to this, I also created a test case where 10,000 point of sales will communicate ahead of it without a server. This is a dumb log. And how do you really do that? Oops, let me get to here. Sorry, that was the offline one. Okay, I need to get back. Where am I? All right, sorry about that. So 10,000, and it seems simple, but of course I qualified it with this. What about payments, membership bonus cards, e-wallet, customer's phone, right? And when things go wrong, network drops, server crash, store burns down, you can recover completely. And this is amazing. So who wants to be the first to try it? I'm willing to give initial a week free consulting, really. Who wants to try? Okay. And I have a code here if you want to run the stress test benchmark and the specs that it proves. I've written here: start of the operation, end of the operation, fleet management of the delivery, and so forth. Okay, and you can try out it here. You can try ERP. I'll give you the link. It's online. You can okay, long press. You can get in. See, you have all the various migrated system, right? So here you can easily get in easily. And now I've done things like this. I'm sorry, getting too crude. Crude means you can delete. Okay, you can This is still in progress. Right? No log. Okay, you can go back and go forward, and I have a blue dot, which means you can forecast. All right, guys, this is indeed a new century. Enjoy. Peace. Bye.